This is the Dimensions tab, where you can see the physical dimensions of your 3D model. These dimensions are fundamentals when you place your object in augmented reality, because it will be shown exactly in these dimensions. It's critical that you check that the physical dimensions of your object are correct, so that you show your clients the right side of your product. One of the benefits of augmented reality is this one. The suggested workflow is to set the physical dimension of your objects in your 3D modeling software or CAD system you use to build your 3D models. When you export to GLB, keep in mind that 1 unit in the modeling software equals 1 meter in the real world. You can modify the object dimension from this panel. Usually, you just need to apply a scale change with 10x or 100x up or down, but you can apply any scale if required. Set your scale and click Apply. You will see the dimensions of your model change. You can show or hide the dimensions inside the 3D view by clicking on the button on the top bar.